In this video, we will estimate the square root of 21 to the nearest tenth. We will start by writing down our perfect square numbers, the square root of 1, the square root of 4, the square root of 9. 4 times 4 we get 16, 5 times 5 we get 25, and we don't have to go any further because the square root of 16 and the square root of 25 are the two perfect squares that the square root of 21 falls in between. We draw our number line, we put the smaller perfect square on the left, so 16, and the larger perfect square, 25, on the right. And then we're going to go ahead and write the result of taking the square root of 16, 4, and the square root of 25, the result is 5. We're going to use the positive values. And in between that, we have 4.5, so it's exactly the middle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to think about, is the square root of 21 closer to 16, or is it closer to 25? So the distance between 16 and 21 is just 5, and the distance between 21 and 25 is an even smaller amount, 4. However, look at this, 4 and 5, there's not much difference between those two. So it's a little bit closer. The square root of 21, I'm going to put it on this side. It's a little bit closer to the square root of 25. However, it's really almost in the middle. So it's slightly closer to the square root of 25, so that should help us with our first estimation. So our choices would be 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, and 5. And we think that it's almost in the middle, so it's pretty close to 4.5. It's slightly closer to the square root of 25, so let's try 4.6. 4.6 multiplied by 4.6. Go ahead and multiply this on your paper at home. And then we have two decimal places. So I got 21.16, which is very close to 21, but it's too high. So what we're going to do is we're going to try one number lower than that and see if we can get a better estimate. So by taking 4.6 times 4.6, we got 21.16. Let's try 4.5 times 4.5. So 4.5 times 4.5. Again, go ahead and multiply this wherever you are. And 4.5 times 4.5, I got a result of 20.25. And that's even closer to, oh, I was going to say closer to 21. It's close to 20, not 21. So let's see the difference between 21 and 20.25. 75 cents away. And 21.16 is 16 cents away from 21. So the better estimate is going to be 4.6. Now go ahead and grab your calculator and put in the square root of 21. And you get 4.58257569, etc. And when you round to the nearest tenth, you get 4.6, which is the estimate that we got.